Welcome to ATP Customs. Today we are featuring Bob's 65 Comet Caliente. And this thing is cool. I'm trying to remember everything I see on this car. So we got everything satin black. I see 17-inch wheels. It's got big G wheels. And this thing has all Mustang powertrain from a 2000 Mustang. So it does have a 4.6 liter, a 5-speed, all Mustang rear end and suspension and brakes. It also has 315s on the back. Has the nitrous mount in the trunk. It does not have the nitrous tank in it. Not sure if it's hooked up. We'll pop the hood open pretty quick. But what a beautiful car. And this one is actually up for sale. We have a stock looking white interior. Love the shifter. I see a tack. He's got all the gauges. Ooh, carbon fiber dash. Look at that. What a great cruiser this would be. It is fully tubbed, 15-inch tub. Well, let's get under the hood. So we have an SVT Cobra, 4.6 liter. I'm not sure if this is built or not. What do we got here? Huh. Look at that. Isn't that cool? What an awesome cruiser this would make. I see an AutoMeter tack adapter. Carbon fiber coolant tank. Isn't that cool? Let's go check out the trunk. Look at that. Battery box, fuel cell, nitrous mount. Nitrous lines are in the corner. I'm guessing he's still working on that. There you go. That is Bob's 65 Comet Caliente. I'm guessing that's how you say it. I have never actually been close to one. What a beautiful car. Not sure if Bob's going to show us what this thing can do, but he's definitely going to show us what the other ones can do. There you go. Bob's 65 Comet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.